welcome to Whispers. Yes, so that is the trending slang now, and it's trending seriously. No reroll. So we're gonna find out what it's all about. No reroll, slogan of integrity. Every Nigerian with social media presence is most likely in the euphoria of the trending slogan, no reroll, an expression promulgated by a street evangelist who preaches against flirtation and insincere promises. Since ours is a society where one must really try hard to devise a coping strategy and means of happiness, given us several social, political, economic challenges, Nigerians have blended the slogan into many scenarios in form of short skits as a kind of entertainment. On the contrary, thinking in the line of the original intent of this newly found slogan, the expression is deserving of serious reflection as it raises the question of a missing virtue in our society, integrity. Integrity is the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles. It has been explained by someone as the alignment of words and actions. Warren Buffett, an American investor and business tycoon, once said, "We look for three things when we hire people. We look for intelligence, we look for initiative or energy, and we look for integrity. And if they don't have the latter, the first two will kill you, because if you're going to get someone without integrity, you want them lazy and dumb." Anyone who does not worry about being truthful to their words will find no wrong in being irresponsible and unanswerable to anyone. This, of course, makes one loses one's sense of dignity and relevance. Sadly, this art of dishonor has become the honorable thing and smart way to relevance in Nigeria. The quality of lies, the empty promises, have become the parameter for who gets what in the struggle for a befitting life in Nigeria. How a presidential candidate to be elected democratically in Nigeria will assume that he can fix the problem of power, road, health system, and unemployment in 4 years is beyond me. How Nigerians then believe and become expectant of such promises is the bigger joke. A chairmanship aspirant in Nigeria even had on his flyer just recently that the people should vote for him to secure the future of their children, and laughed and wondered how a chairman could be such an insurance company personified. Sadly, we've lost rectitude as a nation. We only find a problem in lying and being lied to. Even before the new normal that the world is experiencing, we have, as a nation, normalized the abnormal. How would you hold a tailor responsible for not sewing your clothes? Hold a mechanic responsible for not fixing your car? A lecturer responsible for failing you for sex? A father responsible for not sending you to school? When we all cannot hold those we have elected responsible for not delivering the dividends of democracy? And the question that follows is, what is the way forward? First, we must individually and collectively admit that we suffer a systematic problem as a country, where no one can boldly claim to be an exception to the problem. It is a fallacy to assume that the government can fix all of the problems. For instance, How is the government directly responsible for the commercial driver's decision to charge the commuters 200 naira at a regular 100 naira journey because there are many people at the junction than the available buses can convey? Like some persons have said, move all Nigerians to the UK and see the UK become Nigeria in a week, and see Nigeria become the UK in no time. Everyone, therefore, must take responsibility to live a life where the words match their deeds. Do that which you're paid to do. Deliver that which you promised during electioneering. Say not that which you cannot fulfill just to have your way. Do not that which is wrong because it cannot be challenged. If in your little ways, if in our little ways, we imbibe the habit of integrity, then together we can achieve a better nation we desire. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Akika, lórí irọ́, everything is light though. So guys, there you have it. Lórí irọ́, slogan of integrity. I enjoyed this one. It's really good. So I'll leave this here till I come your way again. Bye.